And here is how to make a calculator in your browser with PixieBricks. So I saw this post on Reddit. Simple one-click extension request. How much to do it? Basically, just wants a calculator and specifies the formula for one, and then the second function. So the first one is basically take a number field, multiply it by 0.13, and then add that to the input. So let's do that. We've got first math, number 10, calculate 11.3. And then the second one, it's basically first number divided by second number. So let's try that. Second math. Let's do 20 divided by 5. And we get 4. So this works as expected. You can open it with literally just Command K, open the quick bar to open that menu up. Here's how I built it. We'll start with first math. I just clicked add, and I added a quick bar panel, and call it whatever you want. Sites, I set to all URLs so it works everywhere. I added the show modal or sidebar form brick. Literally just one field on this first one. I called it number. I made sure to set it to input type as number. It's really all you had to change here. Then I add the JQ JSON processor brick. And this is basically the formula right here. So I said in parentheses dot, which references whatever you put into data. So here I reference the input at form.number, which I can see by going up here. And I can see output. It'll actually show if I do it real quick. It's right here, form.number. So that's the name of the field there. So number basically times by 0.13 plus that number, or plus the input. And then I just have a window alert brick. Click here, add, search for window alert. That's where I added it in. And I said at transformed, which returns whatever the value is here. So that's how the first one works. Second one is honestly really similar. Quick bar input, call it whatever I want. Next, add the show modal or sidebar form brick. Just hit plus show modal, shows up there, hit add. And then you can see I styled it a little differently. I have num1 and then num2, two different fields here. The JQ processor, I use the key value for data type, and I pass two different things, num1, num2, and you reference them by dot, means you're accessing the data, and then anything after that is like what you're accessing within it. So number 1 divided by number 2, window alert, return that. So easy peasy. I'm going to make these public so you can just add PixieBricks and then add them, and they'll be in your browser.